Are you interested in practicing yoga but need a yoga mat? No worries. You can use many alternative options to get started with your practice. Whether you're traveling, on a budget, or just starting with yoga, there are various items you can use in place of a yoga mat. We are going to explore some of the best alternatives to a yoga mat and provide a few good tips on how to get the most out of your practice without one. So, let's get started and find out what to use if you still need to get a yoga mat. So what can you do? Whether you're traveling, on a budget, or just starting with yoga, here are some of the best alternatives to a yoga mat. Beach towel. A beach towel is an excellent alternative to a yoga mat, primarily if you practice yoga outdoors. Beach towels are lightweight, easy to carry and provide a non-slip surface. Place the towel on the ground and start your practice. You can dampen the towel slightly to increase grip if it is too slippery. Carpet. If you're practicing yoga at home, you can use a carpet as a substitute for a yoga mat. Carpets provide a cushioned surface that can help absorb impact and protect your joints. However, it's important to note that carpets may not provide the necessary grip for some poses, so be careful not to slip. Blanket. Another alternative to a yoga mat is a blanket. Blankets can be used to provide cushioning for your joints and to add stability to your poses. Fold the blanket and place it on the ground, then practice your poses on top of it. If the blanket is slipping, place a non-slip mat or a towel underneath it for added stability. Grass. You can use the grass as a natural mat if you're practicing yoga outdoors. Grass provides a soft, cushioned surface that can help absorb impact and provide stability. However, it's essential to ensure the grass is dry and debris-free before practicing. Rug. Similar to a carpet, a rug can be a great substitute for a yoga mat. Rugs provide cushioning for your joints and can help absorb impact. However, like carpets, rugs may not provide the necessary grip for some poses, so be careful not to slip. 1. Tips for practicing yoga without a mat. 2. Wear non-slip shoes or socks to help with grip. 3. Use a non-slip surface such as a towel, rug, or grass to help prevent slipping. 4. Start with basic poses and gradually work up to more challenging poses. 5. Be mindful of your surroundings, and ensure the surface you're practicing on is safe and clean. 6. If you're practicing outdoors, make sure to wear sunscreen and stay hydrated. Invest in a yoga mat as soon as possible. While there are alternatives to a yoga mat, having a high-quality carpet can significantly impact your practice. A yoga mat is a standard accessory for yoga practice, but it's not the only option. If you don't have a yoga mat, there are various alternatives you can use to get started with your practice. From beach towels to rugs, there are plenty of options to choose from. Just be sure to use a non-slip surface and be mindful of your surroundings to ensure a safe and effective practice. With a little creativity, you can start your yoga journey without a mat and enjoy the numerous benefits of this ancient practice. Thanks for watching. Learn more at Spiritual Serenade 89.com. Click the link in the description below.